Welcome to a deep dive into how to create and reply to topics inside Discourse, which is NACC's Community Forum tool. To see any topic, simply click it in your list of topics here in your left-hand nav. You can see any kind of topics that you want, and you can read the topic. Then you can either, and I'll show you the last post first. You can see, read through the topic, and you can either click the category here to go back, or you can simply click the back button in your browser to go back. To create a new topic, simply go to the correct category for the topic. I'm going to say new topic, and then type in a title. This is my title. And then you can change the, you actually wanted to put it in a different category, you can do that. Definitely select at least one tag for it. You can look at the tags that are available to you, or you can create one. So in this case, I might want to say I'm going to do feedback, but I also want it to be feedback about something important. And you can just go ahead and type in your new tag right there, and it'll also tag it with that new tag. And that new tag will be available to other people. So I'm not going to do that right now. That's how you do that. And this will be the body of your topic. It's what I want to discuss in this case. And then just go ahead. Right here, this is just a thanks for starting conversation. Gives you a couple of tips. Does your title, make sure the title has enough information in it that it'll catch people's eye as they're looking through, or if they're trying to search. That's why the tag is really important as well. It helps people find the information that you're posting. So just generic topics are not as helpful as something that's very specific, but not too wordy. So there's a nice balance there. Go ahead and push the create topic button, and there's my topic. So now if I decide that I want to change something about that, if I'm the author of it, I can edit it. So I can change something else. I can add some information like that and save the edit. And that'll show up for everybody. Another nice thing that you can do in a topic is you can also, on its own line, put any kind of URL, and it will put that URL on its own line. You can see a little preview of it here. So that's what it'll look like. And you can save the edit. So that's how that looks there. If you want to create a box there. To respond to someone else's topic, it's very easy. I'll go to a real one here. This is one that I happen to have posted, but you can just go ahead and reply to it. And simply add your reply here, and then reply, and click the reply button, and it'll show up there. So that is pretty much how you create categories. Going back to something that we already discussed in the big overview video, is you can see in your posts, you can see the things that I've created and things that I've posted to. So here's one that I replied to as well. So you can follow things, any kind of conversations that are going on inside your My Posts. And you can add topics anywhere. Try to read through if you're in a category and make sure that other people have not already, do a search first and make sure that your topic hasn't already been covered. We'll try to merge any topics or refer to any topics that have already been answered. Definitely do a search first. That's kind of the best place to start. You can also just peruse any category and see the kinds of things that have been added there. And obviously, you can search by tags as well. So that's how you add topics inside Discourse. Thank you.